Greetings, friend. Watch refrigeration news for Tuesday, November 15, 2022 on our channel. Carrier advances cold chain development across Africa through collaborations with leading international organizations. Mega Clima Algeria 2023. DeltaTrak and Ericsson IoT combat food waste with real-time cold chain traceability. Daikin Europe opens its first factory in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. ebm papst opens new plant in the USA. Arneg opens new technology hub. CEBA announces built by the best award recipients. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. Carrier advances cold chain development across Africa through collaborations with leading international organizations. Carrier Global Corporation, the leading global provider of healthy, safe, sustainable and intelligent building and cold chain solutions, recently forged innovative agreements with the United Nations World Food Programme, WFP, and the African Center of Excellence for Sustainable Cooling and Cold Chain, ACES, to help advance cold chain development and training in Africa. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Mega Clima Algeria 2023. Best 5 Mega Clima Algeria, Air Conditioning and AMP, Refrigeration exhibition will be organized in Algeria at the Safex Expo Center between November 13 to 15, 2023. The biggest construction and AMP, HVAC industry trade show in North African region, Mega Clima Algeria previous edition hosted 75 brands from 10 countries, each bringing new values and products to the event from Turkey, India, Tunisia, Kenya, Algeria, France, Ireland, China, Serbia, and Germany. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. DeltaTrak and Ericsson IoT combat food waste with real-time cold chain traceability. Ericsson's Internet of Things, IoT, business and DeltaTrak, a leading innovator in cold chain management and end-to-end supply chain solutions, announced a collaboration, through Deutsche Telekom, that will drive cold chain traceability enhancements powered by the Ericsson IoT Accelerator platform. By providing real-time tracking data for perishable food and biopharmaceutical products in transit, this collaboration will enrich food chain visibility, increase food and medication safety and thus reduce waste, while enabling sustainability and environmental awareness in transit operations. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Daikin Europe opens its first factory in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Through its many subsidiaries, Daikin Europe is active throughout Europe, the Middle East and Africa. Over the years, the company has been developing its business in each region by producing as close to the market as possible to provide products that meet local needs. As part of this proximity strategy, Daikin Europe has recently opened its first factory in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. ebm papst opens new plant in the USA. ebm papst opens its new production plant for highly energy-efficient fans and motors on November 10, 2022, in Telford, Tennessee, USA. The family-owned company invested almost $30 million in the new building and equipment for its second U.S. location, and will employ around 125 people there at the start. Production started at the new plant in early September and has been increasing since then. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. Arneg opens new technology hub. Arneg opens Technology Pole, a new space where innovative ideas can take shape freely. Arneg's past and future come together in this new complex, which consists of 2 buildings, a historic villa from the early 1900s, a Beaux-Arts heritage site dedicated to office activities and the metrology laboratory, and a cutting-edge facility with 35% more testing capacity housing 7 test rooms and 11 data acquisition workstations. Read more the news on our website today. Seventh news today. CEBA announces built by the best award recipients. The Controlled Environment Building Association, CEBA, names Grifco Design/Build Incorporated and Coldbox as the recipients of the 2022 CEBA Built by the Best Award. The announcement was made in front of a record 400 attendees during the closing general session of the CEBA Annual Conference and Expo held this week in Florida. CEBA members are true experts in building the cold chain, and to recognize their tremendous expertise, The CEBA Built by the Best award was launched in 2016. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow Refrigeration News on social networks. Please find the links below.